What is up, guys? It's your boy Miles here today, and sorry for the lack of uploading, but now that I'm back in school, I got my iPad back and everything, so I'll be able to record more videos for you guys. But today, we're going to do a rundown on my BMX bike, kind of like a 2018 bike check. It's time to do a bike check in a long time. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get right into this. Oh, yeah, guys, you can see, new outfit, new suit. Okay, so first off, we're going to start from the front and then work our way towards the rear. So first off, starting from the front end, we got Merit bar ends. They have cool little metal inserts so they don't break off inside, because every other bar end I've ever had breaks off and then you can't get it out and it's sticking out. It's super dangerous. And we got Merit gunmetal grade Charlie Chrome Lift grips. Shout out to you, Charlie. I think you're one of the best BMXers in the world. And for my handlebar, I'm running Eastern Tenorize handlebar. They're really big, I really like them. They help out with me for bunny hops and stuff. And my stem is a DK stem. It's been holding up for a while now. I got a DK headset, and I have Mongoose forks. And for my front rim, it's a Saprit, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Oh, let me get a second. Show you. So you guys see me better. Okay, there we go. Let me think. Okay, what else? Okay, so for my frame is a Hyper. It's been holding up really well ever since I got it. And moving down to the tires, these are Eastern 2.4, and 60 PSI, they're really big, I really like them. For my pedals, I'm running Merit P1 pedals. I think I've said this before, and I'll say it again, these are the best and coolest looking plastic pedals in BMX by far, and I've been saying that since before I was even on Merit. I just think they look so sleek. Here we have a prototype signature seat that I have. It's a fat Vinium seat. And for my cranks, I'm running Raint Bean 175mm cranks. For my sprocket, I'm running a Eastern 25-2 sprocket. My chain is a regular KMC chain. Half link, never broke it, it's holding up good. My bottom bracket, I'm running Fiction Savage bottom brackets. Now, for my rear tire, I'm running an Eastern 2.4. This is actually a new one I put on here earlier today. And then for my rear hub, I'm running a cassette rear. It's a Saprit rim laced to a Accessis limited edition hub. Really good for crank flips, and good for pedaling backwards. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this 2017 video, and have a nice evening. So yeah, guys, peace out.